Okay, now that all the water lines are complete, I can do some pressure testing, and I found my first leak here. You can see I am leaking out of this side of the connector. So, oh yeah, whatever.
What is happening, everyone? This is Phil with Think Make Do, and welcome back to the next episode in our Vineyard triplex series. And today we're working on a lot of the mechanical prep for our bathroom in our main unit. Now we have to remove some of these blocked out window things that I made and actually frame them properly, put plywood on the backside or the exterior wall to get them ready for stucco. And at the same time, the majority of this episode is more about the plumbing of the shower valve, or the mixing valve, and that's getting the rain shower head set up in the attic and getting into that space and really making sure that I don't have leaks up there when I test the water system. So sit back, relax, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it.
All right, we are going to do the thing. We're gonna go do the thing that I don't want to do, which is get up in the attic, crawl all the way over there, and set this support piece across the joist here so I have a place to screw my pipe into. You know, attics are hot and sweaty and annoying, but what has to be done has to be done. Oh. Now, it would be easier if I didn't have my tool belt, but then I wouldn't have all my tools, and I don't want to have to crawl around here more than once. So, let's go. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. You see that over there? That's where I'll be working. So let's. Man, look at that. Is that a Budweiser from freaking God knows when? Okay, well, this is what I forgot. Oh God, these little Pex expander caps. I've got 3 of them, so let's go back in the attic. I've also gone and pre-run some of the LED power cable wire that I need to pull up there anyway, so you can see that white cable going up in the corner. I'll fish that through just so I have less work to do next time. So let's go up again. All right. So nice right now. It's broken. That is in. Oh. You know, in hindsight, I would at least get a quote to see how much that would cost me from a plumber. I would still probably do it on my own. They would probably charge I would charge $1,000 for that 30-minute job. Oh, okay. Now that all the water lines are complete, I can do some pressure testing, and I found my first leak here. You can see I am leaking out of this side of the connector. So, oh yeah. Whatever. I'm going to have to cut this off, both sides, and redo this particular connection. And fortunately, I have these shutoff valves. Now, if I didn't have these shutoff valves, I mean, I could still do all the work from the main shutoff valve for the house, but you know, that's a little bit more, I guess, it's just more effort. The reason I put these shutoff valves in here is because I knew this would be complicated, and I knew that I would want to be able to test from right here. So maybe something for you to consider when you're doing your next job. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Does all my plumbing work? So let's turn the hot on. I already know that's good. No issues. These are pressure relief valves, I guess, what are these called? Hammer arresters. So when you turn your water on, sometimes it makes a big shunting sound, and that is the air compressing as water is running through your system. These help to prevent that sound from happening. So I've got one here on the hot side. Let's turn on the cold. And I don't see any leaks against this connector. That goes... Oh man, got a little damage on my thing, but in any case. This one goes up to the top. Don't see leaks there. I'll have to check later in the attic for leaks there. Let's put that on here. Let's close this down low. Check this last one. That one looks good. I think I am done with plumbing. Yeah. Very sweaty. Moving on.